Hi everyone, this is part 3 video on time value of money for the subject business finance. Here in this video we are going to see doubling period. First you must understand the concept doubling period, which means the time period required for doubling the investment amount is called doubling period. If I want to invest rupees 10,000 and if I want to get doubling my amount, that is 20,000 in future, what will be the time period required to get it back, right? So this is doubling period, and for which rule of thumb method is being followed, and rule of 72 and rule of 69 can be applied to ascertain doubling period. According to rule 72, doubling period can be found by applying this formula 72 divided by rate of interest. Example, if rate of interest is 9%, we can find 72 divided by 9. Here, you please don't convert this into decimal value, applying 9 directly. So the year will become 8 years approximately. Okay. So this is actually the doubling period if amount is being invested at the rate of 9%. According to rule of 69, doubling period can be ascertained by the formula 0.35 plus 69 by rate of interest. Let me see how to compute doubling period using these two rules. So this is the question taken from University of Madras April 2025 examination, sum number 20, which means 10 marks question. Calculate the doubling period using the rule of 69 if rate of interest is 8% or 10% or 12%. So here the right side is the answer. Calculation of doubling period using the rule of 69. Doubling period is equal to 0.35 plus 69 divided by interest rate. So using this formula, we can calculate doubling period if interest rate is 8%. Doubling period is equal to 0.35 plus 69 by 8, which is equal to 8.975 years. If the rate of interest is 10%, doubling period will become 7.25 years. If rate of interest is 12%, doubling period is 6.1 year. So this is an answer. It is very simple and you can easily score 10 marks if it is being asked in your exam. And this is another question taken from November 2023 exam, sum number 20. Again, this is also a 10 marks question, the same question with a different value. So you can try for this question. If it is any doubt, you can ask me. And another question, calculate the rate of interest. Here they are not asking the doubling period, they are asking rate of interest if the period of doubling of an investment is. So here the doubling period is given, whereas they are asking rate of interest. We know the formula for doubling period and here they have not mentioned any rule. So we can use rule 72 as it is very simple to calculate. By using this rule 72, the formula is doubling period is equal to 72 by rate of interest. If you are cross multiplying these two, we can get rate of interest is equal to 72 by doubling period. Now, using this formula, we can easily calculate the rate of interest. Doubling period 4 years, then the rate of interest is 72 by 4, 18%. As we are finding the rate of interest, the answer must be expressed in percentage. Then doubling period is 6 years, then the rate of interest will become 72 divided by 6, the rate of interest will become 12%. So this is how you can use rule of 72 and 69. Hope you understand. All the very best for your exam. Thank you.